Let yourself go. Let yourself go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself go.
Oh, yes, yes, it's time about son.
Let yourself go.
Touchdown like the end zone.
Hey, what's good, you guys? How you guys doing today? Hope your day is going great, and if not, watching this video will make things 10 times better, baby. We are back at it again. Today we got Jason in the cut. We got my boy Fishing with Norm in the cut. Yes, sir. Say what's good to him, dog.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm glad to be back on Darius's channel. Ride some dirt bikes, do whatever we're gonna do today. I'm excited for it.
Hey, man, we got some crazy stuff planned for today.
All right. I know whenever I get up with you, something crazy goes down, so I'm excited.
Always, dog. We're gonna make it happen. Who we got in the cut?
Hey,
What's up, man? Videographer, cameraman with this special rig right over here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, it's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be a movie.
It really is, dude. I can't wait for you guys to see. Like Zayd, we filmed a few videos together, and he can really create some cool stuff. And just wait till we get some dirt bike shots today. It's gonna be absolutely crazy.
I'm here in Bainbridge, Georgia. We are actually at the one and only South Georgia Motorsports. Why are you looking at me like that? But you always think something funny when I break out this camera, dog.
Evans made another one.
Too many hoes on my call log, I don't really trust hoes. Couple Glocks and that things, we gon' bust those. Lot of money, yeah, we got a whole truckload. We gon' spend a whole block when it's all done. I'ma put it on game. I'ma put it on game. Yeah. Too many hoes on my call log, I don't really trust hoes. Couple Glocks and that things, we gon' bust those. Lot of money, yeah, we got a whole truckload. We gon' spend a whole block when it's all done. I'ma put it on game.
Oh. That's crazy, dude.
I said, yeah, it is. Dusty out today. Look like the rain got the best of him, but still rideable.
Oh, dude, water's super clear.
Holy. Brought Norm out to get a little bit of fishing done. Dude, I'm excited to see what you're gonna pull out of here.
Dude, I'm pumped. Hopefully you can pull something out too. Like, I'll give you a rod and reel as well.
Oh man, I haven't been fishing it's been a while. We actually did have a plan to go and do something like really dope today, but I think we're switching things up.
Sorry to interrupt you. There's like a 1-pound bass swimming right under that tree right now.
I'm telling you, you can see him.
Dude, what in the world?
This little bank right here, we were gonna build a actual ramp and launch a BMX bike into the pond. Like, we're getting pulled by a jet ski and just full sending it. So we thought that'll be like pretty cool and pretty dope for us to do. So if you guys would like to see that in the near future, let me know.
cold?
Oh, it's a little nippy.
A little icy?
Hey, if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button, and let me know what's good.
You were gonna send a wait, so you're gonna send a bike off that? Was that your plan?
No, so like right here,
Yeah.
we were gonna get pulled by the jet ski going that way.
Oh, that would actually be crazy.
No, dude, my truck is gonna get stuck.
Dude, there's 2 trucks that pull you out.
I don't
3,
care.
4 trucks.
You got 4-wheel drive?
No. I gotta put my boots on for this one. What happened? Truck got stuck. I knew this was gonna happen, you guys. I just knew it. 2-wheel drive is not the move. See, y'all be clowning me for my boots, but my boots come in handy. I bet y'all can't do this in regular shoes.
Where you wanna go? You wanna go like to the left or to the right?
I wanna go to the right, to the right, to the right.
Alright, that works with me.
Actually, to the left.
To the left?
Yeah, to the left.
Yeah, we can start over there, that works. Alright guys, we're at our first spot. We're out here in the middle. I have no clue how deep it is, or really if there's any big fish in here at all.
There's fish, baby.
There's fish?
There's fish.
Oh, yo, I got one, I have one.
No!
Yeah, I got him. Yes.
I think I got it.
I'll see y'all later.
White gold, keep it lace, gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hose insane. Like a Mary jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 Prada bags and a ball made frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's 6, cause you know YV gotta get that.